Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log in into your Green Employee Portal account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for greensetsonline.com. Greensets is the modern cloud-based customizable payroll and HR software that thousands of companies trust. And over here you guys can see the interface of Greensets Online. If you are administrator, enter your email address here and password here and click on login to log in into your administrator account. But to log in into your Green Employee account, click here not an administrator. Click here to log in to Green Employee. It will take you to the login page for Green Employee. And over here you guys can enter your email address or phone number. I'm using my phone number. And click on sign in button. You guys should be able to sign in into your Green Employee account. But if you guys are facing any sort of issues while signing in, click on need help signing in. And if you are new user, click on register to open your Green Employee account. So this is how you guys can log in or sign in into your Green Employee Portal account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.